Made to use with all Rexing Supercapacitor Models, V1-4K, V1P, V3, V2 Pro, V5, S1 Series, V1P Pro Series, Max Series dashcams, etc. Input, DC 12V 24 volts. Output, 5 volts, 1.5A, mini USB port. Low voltage protection, 11.4 volts. Cable length, 13 feet. Note, the kit comes with a 15A mini-type fuse. You can connect your own fuse adapter if needed. Please note the Smart Hardwire kit not compatible with Rexing battery models, V1 Basic, M1, M1 Pro, M2, V2, V360. Top reviews from the United States. Decent kit. The one thing that would have been helpful to know was that the Rexing cameras, depending on the model, put up a warning when you enable parking mode that a Smart Hardwire kit is required. This warning remains even after you install the Hardwire kit. The camera isn't designed to detect the kit. The warning is just there to let the user know that the kit is needed for proper use, and doesn't stop appearing once the kit is installed. This was confusing until I found it documented in a support forum. I used this with Rexing V1P Gen 3.